Hi everyone. In this video we're going to create a pie chart for Albert Company showing expenses and net income for 2022. This is a continuation of the work we started in the previous two videos. We'll continue by using the same data worksheet and assignment instructions you printed or downloaded for the first two videos. When you create a pie chart, it's very important not to have too many wedges in the pie. Showing too much data in a pie chart will make it crowded and not very meaningful. You should probably try to limit the separate pieces of data in a pie chart to maybe 6, 7, or 8 numbers. We have only 5 numbers in our 2022 schedule, so this example should work quite well in a pie chart. But what would you do if you have a trial balance that has 10, 20, or 30 expenses? Well, what you should do is group the like expenses into categories. For instance, you could group salaries expense, wages expense, payroll tax expense, employee benefits expense, workers' compensation expense, etc., into a category called labor expense. But as I said earlier, we don't have to worry about that for this exercise because 5 pieces of data will work well on a pie chart. Okay, let's get started by creating the pie chart. Highlight F6 through G10. Click Insert, and in the chart area select the pie chart icon. Let's use the first 2D pie chart for this exercise. You're free to get creative about the type of chart in your homework assignments for Chapter 3 unless otherwise instructed. Let's work together to add data labels. Click anywhere in the chart area. Click on the plus icon. Click on Data Labels, and then the little tiny arrow to the right of Data Labels, and click on Data Callout. If we have these data labels that says this is net income, this is cost of goods sold, etc., there's no reason to have a legend. So while we're here, let's get rid of the legend. I think the call-out box for professional services is kind of crowding the box for net income. So I'm going to click on it and scoot it down and out just a tiny bit. So that it's not crowding the call-out boxes on either side of it. I also think that the entire chart is a little close to the chart title. So I'm going to click on the plot area and I'm going to move the entire chart down just a little bit. There, I think that looks a little nicer. Okay, please pause your video and edit the chart title, and then play with colors and chart styles. You can find those colors and chart styles on the ribbon. Click on the chart area, click on Design, and here's colors, here's chart styles, here's more chart styles. And don't forget that you also still have your choice of the chart format area over here. Just a moment and I'll show it to you. So way over to the right, the chart format area, you have those choices as well. So lots of things to play with to make this a pretty chart. So start your video again when you're happy with your chart, and we'll finish up this exercise together. Well, here's my finished chart. Does it look as nice as yours? Finally, let's move the chart as an object to the pie worksheet. Click anywhere on the chart. Click Design. Click on Move Chart. Choose the second option, Embedded as an object in, and use the drop-down for pie. OK. OK, the chart has been moved from the data sheet to the pie sheet. Now what we need to do is move and resize the chart so that it's pleasing to the eye and prints well. I used 120% on the little gradient scale at the bottom right side of the worksheet, and I think it's a nice size on the worksheet. I moved the worksheet over to this corner because I knew I was going to have to use the print function. So File, Print, and I don't like it on a portrait orientation. So I'm going to change that to landscape orientation. I think that looks much better. So I did not have to center this on the page. Excel did that automatically. It fits nicely on the page. It's a good size. It'll be easy for people to read. And it fits nicely on the Excel worksheet. And it's pleasing to the eye. So I think that was easy as pie and easy on the eye, and that's all for this video demonstration. As a matter of fact, that's all for the video demonstrations for Chapter 3. I'll see you in Chapter 4 next time.